Mike McBride with Mason-McBride. We're doing a video series on the no-fault reform here in Michigan, and part of that is a reformation of the MCCA, which is the Michigan Catastrophic Claims Act. That particular fund is being materially affected by this reform. And so what we want to touch on is, what is the MCCA, how it originated, what does it do, and what changes are happening to it going forward that will affect you. So what exactly is the MCCA? Well, this is a fund that was originally established as part of the No-Fault Reform Act in the early 1970s. Incorporated a benefit of unlimited medical for injuries sustained in an auto accident. And so one of the challenges for the industry was, how do I rate for and quantify something I don't know and has an unlimited cap? So part of the negotiations with the legislature to create the No-Fault Act was to create this fund called the MCCA. And so essentially what it does is it acts as a specialized reinsurance fund that once medical costs get to a certain level, that fund takes over and the insurance company stops paying. The charges that you see on your particular auto policy of that fund has changed over the years, and part of this master reform that has occurred here recently that will take effect on 7/1 does change the nature of that fund and how it operates. So presently the MCCA fund takes over a claim once it exceeds $580,000. Going forward, that $580,000 limit will be adjusted by the Consumer Price Index, the CPI, or 6%, whichever is less. The fund still exists for those clients electing greater than $500,000 in PIP limit, but that limit of responsibility for the carrier will gradually bump up over time. The present charge on each auto policy for the MCCA is $220 per vehicle. As of 7/1, that will be reduced to $100 per vehicle for those individuals who continue to elect unlimited medical. That part of the cost savings that's being advocated as part of this reform. What's also potentially in play is a charge for those who are electing less than unlimited, and that's designed for potential debt service or adverse claims development the MCCA may have. At present, they do not anticipate having an MCCA charge for anyone electing less than the unlimited benefit, but understand that may come into play going forward depending how the MCCA fund evolves. If you continue to elect unlimited medical, there is the fund there to take care of those excess claims, and if you elect less than the unlimited medical, that fund still will exist to pick up residual claims, and there may be a charge going forward. At present, we don't anticipate one. The MCCA fund is not going away, it's just being reformed, and you'll see some of those changes on your auto policy. Thanks again for taking time to watch this series of videos. There's a lot of moving parts in this no-fault reform. If you continue to have any questions beyond this, please give our staff a call. I know they'll be happy to help you navigate through all of these complex changes.